Yo, Drake, sup, Kendrick. This fight has been going on for hours now.
Yeah, man, it's way past our bedtime, Kendrick.
And I think we should stop.
You're right, Drake. We have bigger enemies.
Yeah, that so-called earthman. He's so whack. Kendrick, should we diss him? Not yet, Drake. Boo! Why Kendrick-sama? Because us two alone against the world. That's just impossible, man. You're right, Kendrick, we need someone. Airbending, and we also need someone who's a bully. Kanye West. Did somebody call my name? I'm kinda Louis Vuitton Don. We know, but we need to team up. Why? To defeat the earthman, the strongest man, the greatest man, that kind of guy. This won't be hard. Yo, Kendrick, maybe this Kanye guy is bad.